What's up everybody, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the new Aputure Amaran COB 60x. This is the bicolor light that they just brought out. There's also a 60D version, which is daylight balance. The X being bicolor, it goes from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, and it has a CRI value of 96 and greater. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump into it and see what's inside the packaging. Now it comes in this foam case with a carry handle, and it also has these locks right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop those up. Now it comes really tightly packed in this packaging, as you can see. And on the upper corner you have the light itself. You have a reflector dish, the power cable, the mounting option that it comes with, power adapter brick. So let's look at this first since I have it in my hand. This is the included V-mount to NPF style batteries. It has the power cable brick and the extension that goes to the back of the light. An extension cord that plugs into the brick. And yep, the mounting hardware, which you have a baby pin to 1/4-20 and this articulating type arm. So I'm gonna put that to the side. And let's take a look at this. You have obviously warranty card instructions, and you have a mini reflective dish. And let's go ahead and pull out the light itself. And here it is, the light itself. It comes with this protective housing that keeps the light itself, the chip, safe. And just like all Aputure, you go ahead and pull this back, rotate, and there you have it. Our first impressions, this thing is very small, very light. We all know it's plastic construction. That's how Aputure saved on costs, but don't discount this little thing here. So let's go ahead and drop the side plate on. And if you have those V-mount batteries, you can pop that on and just use a D-tap to the DC 5.5 cable, I think it's called. We're gonna put the reflector on here. That way I don't accidentally destroy my light. Small so far. Let's grab 2 NPF batteries. Now it's at 5600 Kelvin, and you have a button here that controls the Bluetooth reset, and you have this red dial here. So with this dial, when you're on the power level, it goes up in increments of 1, and you can go all the way down to 1%. And boom, 0, 1%. And you can dial it up all the way to obviously 100. And if you click on it, it does it in steps of 20. That would be 100 at 5600 Kelvin. Don't want to blind everyone. And let's bring it back down. There's 20%. Now, if you depress this and hold, it'll go down to the second level, which allows you to change the Kelvin. And once again, if you press it, it will go up in different steps, starting from the lowest, which is 2700 Kelvin, all the way up to the highest, which is 6500 Kelvin. Not bad for a small little light. And obviously you can turn the dial and get it in different steps as you wish. Now, one thing I've noticed, being that this is plastic, I'd be a little hesitant to throw a bigger modifier on it because I wouldn't want to snap the bones mount. But I've seen other people say that you can take larger modifiers and using a clamp, vice clamp, you can attach the modifier to the C-stand and then just put this on the back. So let's go ahead and take this little light and throw it on a C-stand with a softbox and see how it looks in a practical application. All right, so here we are inside more of an open environment. I have the light on a stand in a softbox. It's being triple diffused. It's hitting a reflector going through 2 layers of fabric and the grid. This is what this room would look like if I turned off that one light. And let's turn it back on. So you can see it's pretty powerful, gets the job done. This is definitely going to be part of my run and gun kit. Now, this isn't replacing any of the other lights I use. This is just in addition to what I do use. This allows me to have the flexibility to go from location to location and not have to worry about where power is going to come from. I have the option to do MPFs and V-mount, which I have tons of. So there you have it. Hopefully this was helpful. If you like it, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.